Most people fail, not because they lack talent, but because they give up too soon. Every day, countless dreams are buried under fear, doubt, and uncertainty. You might feel stuck, like the world is against you, and every step forward seems impossible. But what if I told you that just one thought, one small shift in your mindset, can completely change the path of your life? Today, we're going to uncover the power of belief, how to harness your mind, and take control of your destiny. By the end of this video, you'll see that no obstacle is too big, no failure is final, and your dreams are closer than you think. It was a young man who dreamed big, yet every day felt heavier than the last. He faced failure after failure, rejection after rejection. Friends laughed at his ambitions. Society told him to stay realistic. Each morning, he woke up with hope, only to face disappointment again. But inside, a small spark remained, a voice saying, "Don't quit, not yet." One day, he realized success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who keep moving, step by step, even when the world says no. He started small, learning a new skill, practicing daily, ignoring the noise around him, focusing on growth. Slowly, he saw change. His confidence grew. His failures became lessons. Each mistake was a stepping stone. He understood the difference between those who succeed and those who fail is not talent, it is persistence. Your mind is your most powerful tool. If you believe you can, you will find a way. If you doubt yourself, failure is guaranteed. Change your mindset, change your life. Start thinking like a winner. Take responsibility for your actions. See obstacles as opportunities, challenges as lessons. Every great achievement in history started with a simple thought, I can, and then the courage to act on it. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Believe in yourself. Take one small step today, and the world will follow. Your dreams are closer than you think.